Hey guys, the Happy Cultivator here. Today I'll be unboxing the Huina Toys 11 channel excavator full function RC. This is a 1/16 scale excavator. This is a fully functioning excavator. Throw it around here to the side so you can see the demonstration of its functions. 360-degree rotating and full function bucket, and it says it even has a fully function bulldozer there on front. So let's open her up. I've popped the Scotch tape seal, so let's open her. Ooh, plastic. All right, let's pull her out. Looks like this is the top here. So there we go. She's encased in plastic with packing tape all around, so I'll have to break through that packing tape. Here is your controller right up here, and then you have your battery and charger right there. I can tell you with these intelligent chargers, all you do is you plug them into your laptop. A red light will come on when it's charging, and then when it's done charging and the battery has a full charge, the light goes out. So now let me go ahead and break this packing tape. There's not much more to see here because it is in this plastic seal here. But let me break it out so you guys can see it without the plastic. Okay, so I've opened it up, and of course when I opened it up, the controller and the battery charger just fell out. But here is your controller. All right, we have found the instructions for our excavator. They are actually on the box. Here is your actual excavator. It does have a bulldozing device on front. There is your bucket. There's your boom arm. The bucket, the bulldozer, and the cabin are all die cast. It has rubber treads on it. Pretty nice little excavator. I can't wait to charge this guy up and do some digging. But there's the basics for your Huina excavator. It does come with a 400 milliamp 6-volt NiCad and your intelligent charger. So there you go, guys. The unboxing of the 11 channel fully functional RC excavator from Huina Toys. So remember, always keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.